I'm kind of freaking overloaded at the shop now, and I want to get that done, and I want to get Richard's boat done, and then I got the other ones I got to take care of.
I said stop it!
Like, we need to get that one done. We need to get Richard's boat done.
I'm Sky.
Well, I know. I'm just saying. I'm overloaded on other stuff too.
Stop it.
So I just,
Sky's here.
get the pound in. No, that's fine. That's fine. But let's maybe take 5-10 minutes in the morning. Well, and on top, and on top of that, I know what Larry Crowley does. He buys these boats. That dude goes. Buys boats, gets them fixed, sells them. That's money, but I think this was his personal one. Possibly say, hey, look, it is seized. Gear kit, there's nothing wrong with it. It needs a seal kit, but we can